Good evening, everyone. I'm Margaret Farrell, and this is the website I've been working on throughout this semester. I'm very passionate about this. Celiac disease, it affected my life about 3 years ago, and it comes with a lot of cleaning up to do, so I chose to do my website and my how-to on clean living with celiac disease. When you land, you're going to be on the celiac disease information. From on here, you have a link to celiac.org, which has a lot of extra information, and my multimedia, How to Gluten Free Your Home. Also have a page on the kitchen. This is a lot of helpful tips of how to remove gluten from your kitchen, your pantry, your shelves, your refrigerator. You just wouldn't imagine how many things that you have to do in order to be safe and not be cross-contaminated. The bathroom, you would never think that you would have anything, but there are things in there that contain gluten. And there's a lot of information here also. Then the facts about celiac disease, I added my VisMe facts, and if you click on that, you would come to this. Also have under categories, avoiding cross-contamination, and it's a little video that I've added and included. Clean living is a must when living with celiac disease. So this is my how-to presentation, my website, and I hope you all have a good evening.